Hello, I'm Jun Ye. I'm a physicist working in JELA, which is a joint research institute of the University of Colorado at Boulder and the National Institute of Standards and Technology. I'm deeply honored and humbled for being included in Quantum 100. Of course, this year witnessed the centennial of quantum mechanics. I love this remarkable piece of science, which connects profound secrets of nature to our growing capabilities of revealing them. When we line up many hundreds of thousands of atoms for synchronized quantum dances, we stand to gain not only the knowledge of passing time, well, I built atomic clocks, but also insights to how these quantum particles interact. They always find peace with each other for the benefit of advancing the next technological frontier, whether for gathering information or processing it or sharing it. Scientific ideas come from diverse minds. New technologies emerge from brave and hardworking hands. I'm very fortunate to have worked with so many brilliant scientists and engineers. They are my mentors, colleagues, and students. We have shared ideas, technologies, and nurtured each other's scientific growth. The year of quantum has further strengthened the ideal that collaboration among scientists will help us to harness quantum science for building better and more meaningful lives for all of us in the world. Thank you.